Hello guys, today I discuss about the electric charge. Every substance made by atoms, substance are collection of atom, and atom consists of fundamental particle. Atom collection of fundamental particles. Fundamental particles are three types. Number first, proton. Number second, electron, and number third, neutron. Proton have positively charged and electron have negatively charge, and neutron no charge. It is also known as neutral charge. Proton and electron are in the nucleus. It is also known as nucleons. Like as it is the atom, it is nucleus. Nucleus have proton and neutron, and electron round the nucleus. Nucleus have a positively charged because neutron is neutral charge. It is called electron, it is called proton. Electron around the nucleus, and proton and neutron is electron revolves the nucleus, and proton and neutron have nucleus. The nucleus are positively charged, and we have three charged particles like proton, like electron, like neutron. Electric charge on the proton is positively charged, and electric charge on the electron is negatively charged, and electric charge on the neutron is no charge. The atoms consist of electron, proton, and neutron, and they are neutral because the electric charge on electron is equals to the equal charge on proton. It is neutral. The electric charge excess or deficiency of electrons on a body is called electric charge. When we have positive charge, they also called loss of electron, and is also called deficiency of electrons. And we have negative charge, then gain of electrons, and it is also known as excess of electrons. Electric charge are three types. Number first, proton. Number second, electron, and number third, neutron. We have charging are three types. Number first, induction. Number second, conduction. Number third, friction. Number first, charging by induction. Charging a neutral body by another charged body without making any physical contact between them is called induction. We have body A and body B. There are no physical contact to each other, but they are very close to each. Then the electrons are transferred B to A by induction is called induction of charging. Charging by induction. There are two bodies A and B. They are separated and close to each other. No contact between them. Their electron transfers B to A is called induction. The body A is also called induced charge, and body B is called inducing charge. And second way of charging is called conduction. The conduction when two bodies are contact to each other is called conduction. When they are contact to each other, the electron and proton transfers to both of them. The second way of charging is called conduction. We have two bodies, body A and body B. They are contact to each other. The electron and proton are equally A and B. The transfer of electron and proton, way of conduction. The way of charging a neutral body. The body A have no charge, and body A have no charge and body B have positive and negative charge. They are contact to each other. Body A neutral charge, body B have a proton and electron. The proton and electron transmitted to body A. They also charge is called conduction. The way of charging a neutral body by a connect charged body is called conduction. The third type of charging is called friction. Friction, we have two bodies, body A and body B. The magnitude of same, but the direction of charged particle is opposite, because the same magnitude and same material body. Like as we have two balloons, we are rubbed to each other, they are positively charged and repelled to each other. Balloons have a same particles, then they repel to each other. Plastic rod rubbed with a silk cloth, then they attract to each other. The rod has positive charge and so silk cloth is negatively charged, then different charges are attract to each other. And the next topic, properties of charge. Number first, property of charge. Like charge repel. Like as plus are repelled to each other. and minus minus repel to each other. Unlike charge attract, like one plus minus attract to each other, the electric field plus to minus, and minus plus is also attractive, the electric field plus to minus. And number 3, charge is additive. Charge is additive quantity, like as the total charge capital Q or Q equals to Q1, Q2 and Q3 and so on. And last, charge is quantized.